my work has been like, because I'm not a trained artist, I have been mostly like, seeing art and, evolving. It's been my own study. And it's also, I feel it's like a continuing process, one work leading to the other. In that retrospect, I also feel like, life as such is a work in process. And yeah, even death is not the end, and it is a continuing thing. I have been working for many years, for over 2 decades with the form of seed. It had been a recurring motif in my work, and it comes back. I go back and forth. And in this, the set of work is like, I have cut the white paper and also done like pierced and drawn dots on it. And so when you are cutting, when you are holding a white paper and thinking of working with white thread on white, as it is, it's about light, it gives a feeling of light. And then when you are cutting it further, piercing it further, it's creating further light, And then it's also symbolic of suffering and suffering, loss. And when I think in retrospect, I feel it's about transition. It's about transformation. And so in a way, when the threads are tied, they are holding the fragile, vulnerable form together. And I call them seed series because I feel we all have that seed inside us, that is like, if we look inside that light within us, that gives us strength. So I feel when you look at these works, it's like that. And also, like, it's a Kabir's very beautiful lines like, "Moko kahan dhoonde re banda, main to tere paas." So it's like, if you look for divinity, it's all within you. I am getting strength from my spiritual kind of, inclination or search. I fall back on that. And yeah, so my art practice is a lot like meditative and in the space of mindfulness.